everyone and welcome back to the channel. This video is especially dedicated to your chapter called Circles. In this we will get to know about all the basic theorems of this chapter. Let's start with the first one. For me to make you understand this theorem, let's get this circle center a name. I will call it O. So here we have a circle and its center whose name is O, or the point name is O. Let me tell you a basic thing, that most of the theorems are related to chords. So theorem 1, which is this theorem, is also related to the same. So let's draw two chords. So in here I have drawn two chords PQ and RS, and if you take a closer look to it, you will notice that both these chords are equal. So chord PQ is equal to chord RS, and if you don't know what a chord is, then you can check out our other videos in the terminologies of circles. And here comes our first theorem, which says that equal chords of a circle or maybe of congruent circles will subtend equal angles at the center. What does this mean? Okay, so if we draw two equal chords, which we already had drawn, that is PQ and RS, then the angle subtended by it. Now what is the angle subtended? It means nothing but the angle produced by taking the endpoints of the chords and joining it to the center of the circle. So here you can see angle 1 is the angle subtended by RS, and let's do similar for PQ. As you can see in there, and the first theorem suggests us that equal chords, that are PQ and RS, subtend equal angles, that is angle 1 and angle 2. So if PQ is equal to RS, then angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 according to this theorem. Simply put, it means that if chords PQ and RS are equal, then angles subtended by it, that are angle 1 and angle 2, will also be equal. So here we have got ourselves into theorem number 2, which is nothing but just the converse of theorem 1. Theorem 1 has suggested us that if two chords that are equal, for example, let's say chord RS is equal to chord PQ, then the angle subtended by them, that is angle 1 and angle 2, will be equal. But as a converse, let's take the opposite of it. That is, if we draw two angles or two equal angles, that is, let's say if angle 1 is equal to angle 2, then will chord PQ will be equal to chord RS? The answer is yes, of course it will, and we will see the proof for all these theorems in later videos. This theorem basically means that if angle ROS is equal to angle POQ, then we have the chord RS will be equal to chord PQ. It seems logical, right? The length of the chord should be proportional to the degree measure of the angle. If this angle would be bigger, then the chord should be bigger. If this angle would be bigger, then the chord would be bigger, and vice versa. So this was it for today's video, and here you can get the notes of what you have learned just now. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is me taking bye, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.